Welcome to another InMotion Hosting video tutorial. My name is Arnel Custodio, and today we will be discussing how to create forwarders with InMotion Central. To create an email forwarders with InMotion Central, you first need to log into cPanel. And you can do this through projects. So you can load up a project and then you will click on Emails. Emails will give you an option for manage email accounts. You want to click on that. And this will take you to the cPanel interface. In the cPanel interface, in the email section, you want to click on Forwarders. This will take you to the Forwarders page. And here you can see the different options that you have with managing the forwarders or creating forwarders. You can click on Managing, which is the domain names area where you can click on a particular domain if you have more than one. And then you can also look at the different tables at the bottom, which include the existing forwarders that you have. And with the email account forwarders, you can either trace or delete. And with the domain forwarders, you can only delete what you can see. So let's create our first forwarder by clicking on Add Forwarder. So when you get to the forwarders page, to add a new forwarder, click on the Add Forwarder button. And then what you'll do next is type in the address that you want to forward to. And this will be one of the addresses that you can create with your InMotion Central account. Next is the domain name. So if you have more than one domain that you're using within here, you can click on the drop-down arrow to select the one that you want to use for the forwarder. The destination will be an email address that you can type in, and it'll be forwarding. That will be where the email will be forwarded to. And there are other options at the bottom, which include discard and send an error. And basically what that is the email is not being forwarded. It's just they're being sent an error. And you can change the message here at the bottom. The events options include the option to forward to a system account, pipe to a program, or discard, which is not recommended. Once you've made your selection for your destination, you want to click on Add Forwarder. To create a new domain forwarder, you want to click on the Add a New Domain Forwarder button. Here you'll start by selecting the domain you're forwarding email from. The destination domain will be where the emails will be sent. Basically, any emails going to the old domain will go to the new domain instead. Thanks again for listening to how to create forwarders within the InMotion Hosting Central interface. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up below and leave a comment if you get a chance. And subscribe to our channel so you can listen to our other tutorials and tips and tricks on how to make your website a better place. Thanks again for listening and have a great day. Check out our InMotion Hosting Support Center for help with your website. We provide thousands of step-by-step guides, videos, and much more to lead you towards making your online project a successful one. You can find us at www.inmotionhosting.com/support.